joined the speech initial days, I started watching a video of PG residency program, which was there in speed, and also sir Scott Brown videos. And then I started giving GT. I used to analyze that where what are my weakness and what are my strength. So on the basis of that, with time, it improved, and who helped me a lot for this journey.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Hardik for scoring a topmost rank of 16 in MCh ENT group. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you so much, sir.
Great.
Thank you so much.
And we know a brief background from where you started till date, what all you have done.
Sir, actually, I have done my MBBS from GMERS Medical College, Patan, Gujarat, and my MS ENT from Srimati NHL Municipal Medical College, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. And I completed my MS ENT in November 2025, and then I appeared for NEET SS in December 2025.
Very good, Doctor. Great accomplishment, great work. Beautiful. Thanks for sharing. Can we know when you decided to do super specialty, who inspired you to do, when you decided it, and how you started working towards it? What was the preparation strategy?
Actually, sir, during MBBS days, in my first year of MBBS, I was very fascinated by the complex anatomy of head and neck. And then, so I'm more inclined towards the head and neck part. And then during internship, I get some exposure of head and neck surgeries. And then when PG selection part was there, then I select MS ENT. And then during my residency, I get a lot of exposure of head and neck surgeries. I always wanted to become a head and neck surgeon ever since my first year of MBBS. And then, sir, joined the speed around January 25, uh, this year only. And then initially, sir, initial days, I did not get that much time for reading. But later on, when my university exam was there, I started watching a video of PG residency program, which was there in speed, and also, sir, Scott Brown videos. And then I started giving GT. Initially in GT, also my rank was not that good, but I used to analyze that where what are my weakness and what are my strength. So on the basis of that, with time, it improved, and now
Great, great. Now, how many questions were you able to answer in the exam, or what about the pattern of the paper?
it's 149 question I attended, and
Great.
only one I
How do you
skipped.
feel about the paper?
Uh, I thought the paper was moderate, not that much tough. Personally, I feel that.
Great. Now, who introduced speed to you? What was your experience of speed with this exam?
So Speed was the platform for ENT person who want to become a head and neck or go for MCH. So Speed was the platform. My senior from my college, uh, who joined the Speed, and he got a rank 6, and he introduced me that Speed is the platform. If you want to become a head and neck surgeon, then Speed is the platform for that.
Great. Now, uh, what will be your advice for the future aspirants of head and neck oncology?
So I would like to tell only one thing, that start early and give more and more GT and revise. Whatever you are reading, you should revise. Revision is the key. Ultimately, I just want to say, sir, revision is the key.
Excellent. Time to thank and whom all you want to thank, you feel that they help you from day one till date in your career.
So I would like to thank my parents, first of all, then sir, my PG teacher, and my colleagues, junior, seniors, and all, sir, and who helped me a lot for this journey. And of course, you, sir. Uh,
Great, doctor. Thanks for sharing, and rest of all the team will be very, very happy for listening to your good words, and wishing you all the very best and all the success for a great career ahead in head and neck oncosurgery. Best wishes to you, doctor.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Best
Thank you so
wishes.
much.
All the best.